बघा विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आपण मॅथमॅटिक्स पेपर फर्स्ट याच्यातलं वेक्टर चॅप्टर आपलं कंटिन्यू चालू आहे आणि त्या वेक्टर चॅप्टरमधलं जवळजवळ जो थेरी पार्ट्स होता तो आपण या ठिकाणी घेतलेला आहे आणि याचाही पुढचं आता त्याच चॅप्टरमधलं एक्झरसाइज नंबर 5.1 हे आज आपण घेणार आहोत. तर मित्रांनो, या जे एक्झरसाइजमधला आपण क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट त्या ठिकाणी बघूया. क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्टमध्ये त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला असं दिलेलं आहे की बघा तो क्वेश्चन नंबर फर्स्ट काय आहे त्या ठिकाणी, द वेक्टर ए बार, म्हणजे आपल्याला वेक्टर दिलेला आहे ए बार is directed due north and त्याचं मॅग्निट्यूड दिलं आहे. मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ ए बार इज 24. अनदर वेक्टर द वेक्टर बी बार इज डायरेक्टेड ड्यू टू वेस्ट and its magnitude that is mod of b bar equal to 7. Find the magnitude of a bar plus b bar. म्हणजेच काय झालं आहे की आपल्याला या ठिकाणी दोन वेक्टर दिलेले, एक वेक्टरचे डायरेक्शन नॉर्थ दिलेले आणि त्या वेक्टरचं मॅग्निट्यूड दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला 24 आणि त्याच वेक्टरला म्हटलं या ठिकाणी ए बार. तसंच वेक्टर बी बार पण दिलेलं आहे आणि त्याचं डायरेक्शन वेस्ट म्हटलेली आहे आणि त्याचं मॅग्निट्यूड दिलेलं आहे आपल्याला 7 आणि याच्यावरून आपल्याला शोधायचं आहे की त्या ए बार प्लस बी बार या वेक्टरचं मॅग्निट्यूड शोधायचं आहे. तर फार सोपं आहे मित्रांनो. बघा काय करता येईल आपल्याला, मॅग्निट्यूडचा फॉर्म्युला माहिती आहे. मॅग्निट्यूड इज इक्वल टू दॅट इज अंडर रूट ऑफ, त्याप्रमाणे आपण घेणार आहे. तो जर लिनियर कॉम्बिनेशनमध्ये असेल तर x² + y² असं आपण घेणार आहे. मग आपण या ठिकाणी काय घेणार बघा, तर दॅट इज द मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ वेक्टर ए बार प्लस बी बार इक्वल टू अंडर रूट ऑफ, बघा त्याला कसं एक्सप्रेस करता येईल फॉर्म्युला, अंडर रूट ऑफ a² + b² इज इक्वल टू अंडर रूट साइन इट इज ॲज यू नो द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ एची व्हॅल्यू आपल्याला दिली आहे, म्हणजे मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ ए दिलेलं आहे दॅट इज 24 आणि 24चा स्क्वेअर प्लस मॅग्निट्यूड ऑफ बी इज 7 स्क्वेअर आणि इज इक्वल टू सिम्प्लिफाय केलं तर ते अंडर रूट ऑफ स्क्वेअर ऑफ 24 इज 576 प्लस स्क्वेअर ऑफ 7 इज 49 इक्वल टू that is the sum of 576 plus 49 equal to under root of 625. And now positive square root of 25 is 625 is a 25, and so that's why the magnitude of vector a bar plus b bar is equal to 25 असं त्याचं आन्सर आलेलं आहे. ओके, दुसरं एक्झाम्पल आपल्याला दिलं आहे, सेकंड एक्झाम्पल, की त्या ठिकाणी आपल्याला एक ट्रायंगल दिलेला आहे. इन अ ट्रायंगल पी क्यू आर vector PQ bar is equal to twice A bar and vector QR bar is equal to twice B bar. The midpoint of PR is a M. Find the following vectors in terms of A bar and B bars. आणि आता ते वेक्टर आपल्याला शोधायला लावलेलं आहे. दॅट इज फर्स्ट वन इज PR बार, सेकंड वन इज PM बार अँड थर्ड वन इज QM बार. मग बघा आता पुन्हा त्याचप्रमाणे आपण एक ट्रायंगल त्या ठिकाणी घेऊया, ट्रायंगल PQR घेऊया. त्याची डायरेक्शन मी असं केलं, वेक्टर पी क्यू बार अँड दुसरा वेक्टर पी आर बार केलं, नंतर मग थर्ड वेक्टर दॅट इज द क्यू आर बार. आणि आपल्याला या ठिकाणी पी क्यू बारची दिलेलं आहे दॅट इज द टॉईस ए बार आणि क्यू आर बार पण दिलं आहे टॉईस बी बार. सो बाय यूजिंग द ट्रायंगल्स रूल, सो वी कॅन राईट हिअर इन ट्रायंगल पी क्यू आर, वी राईट हिअर पी क्यू बार प्लस क्यू आर बार इज इक्वल टू पी आर बार and therefore PR bar is equal to, you know the value of PQ bar that is the twice A plus twice B, and therefore PR bar is equal to twice A bar plus twice B bar. This is your final answer. I think in a books given that answer is wrong. Okay, now second is asked, so the second will be that is the PM bar, to calculate the PM bar. So it is very easy, that is that M is the midpoint of the PR vector, otherwise the side PR, and so that's why we can express as PM bar is equal to half of PR bar is equal to half of, we already calculate the PR bar, that is the twice A bar plus twice B bar, and therefore divide both term by 2, so we will get that PM bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. Similarly QR bar is equal to, that is in case of that is third. So first of all we calculate here RM bar. RM bar, see in figure, RM bar is equal to half of RP bar, but that RP bar is a minus PR bar, so that's why we express here minus 1/2 PR bar. And you know the value of PR bar, so therefore equal to minus half into bracket, that is the twice A bar plus twice B bar, and therefore RM bar is equal to minus A bar minus B bar. This is the RM bar. But from triangle QRM, so we get that QM bar plus MR bar is equal to QR bar, and therefore QM bar is equal to QR bar minus MR bar, and is equal to QR bar minus, again inside the bracket, minus RM bar. I will change the direction of MR bar, okay, and therefore is equal to QR bar minus plus RM bar, and so is equal to QR bar is the twice B bar plus RM bar is the minus A bar minus B bar, and therefore by solving the addition, twice B bar minus B bar, that is the B bar, and therefore QM bar is equal to B bar minus A bar. This is the answer. Third question is that, see that the third question is that the quadrilateral OABCDE is a regular hexagon. The point A and B have the positions vector A bar and B bars respectively. Refer to the origin. Find in terms of A bar and B bar the positions vector of point C, point D and point E, that is calculate the vector OC bar, OD bar and OE bar. Okay, very simple it is that. So we draw this hexagon here. So see that this is the point O. I will take this 6 point, that is A, B, C, D and E, like this. Afterward I will again draw here the diagonals, that is the AD, EB, otherwise BE and OC, and so all these diagonals are intersect at the point M. Okay, so therefore then point M is bisect all the diagonal, that is the AD, BD, BE and OC, and therefore from figure we consider here the triangle. See that from figure we suppose that first of all this triangle OAB, and from this triangle we write here AB bar is equal to OA bar plus OB bar, and so here direction of OA bar is a vector, and so that is AO bar is equal to minus A. So that's why I will change the direction, is equal to OA bar, instead of I write minus AO bar plus OB bar, and therefore AB bar is equal to minus A bar plus B bar is equal to B bar minus A bar, means that is the AB bar is equal to B bar minus A bar. So okay, we calculate the first of all, that is AB bar now, and after AB bar we calculate the now remaining that required thing, that is the OC bar, OD bar and OE bar. So first of all I will consider, see that this point M and this triangle. So observe this OAB and M, this is a parallelogram, and so in this parallelogram, that is the OM is equal to, that is the AB, and therefore you know the value of AB, that is the B bar minus A bar. So that's why OM bar is equal to also B bar minus A bar. Okay, now after this, in this M is the midpoint of the OC, so that's why OC is equal to twice of OM bar, is equal to twice, you know the value of OM bar, we already calculated, this is OM bar is equal to B bar minus A bar, and so by simplifying we get that OC bar is equal to twice B bar minus twice A bar. Okay, we calculate now OC. Similarly, see that from figure we consider the triangle, that is the OC and D, and so from this figure by using the triangular law of vector, addition of vectors, we write here that is the OD bar is equal to OC bar plus CD bar, and therefore I will express that CD bar as a DC bar. So that's why I will change the sign, rather change the direction, and that's why is equal to OC bar minus DC bar is equal to OC bar minus OA bar, because here also by taking the considering the point A, and therefore OACD is a parallelogram, and in case of the parallelogram, so opposite sides are parallel and equal. So that's why we write that DC bar, otherwise DC bar is equal to OA bar, and you know the value of OA bar is equal to A bar. That's why we substitute here value, that is OD bar is equal to OC bar. OC bar we already calculate now, that is the twice B bar minus twice A bar, and minus OA bar is the A bar. By simplifying this, OD bar is equal to twice B bar minus thrice A bar. This is the required next vector, that is the OD bar. After this, again from this figure, consider the triangle OME. And so by using the triangular law of addition of vectors, so we get that OE bar is equal to OM bar plus ME bar. And therefore OM bar we already calculated that B bar minus A bar. But instead of this ME bar, I will write here minus EM bar, because its direction will be the change. And therefore B bar minus A bar minus, that is the EM bar. EM bar means is parallel to, that is the OA bar. In this parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and they are also same. So that's why the value of EM bar is same as the OA bar is equal to A bar, and that's why OE bar is equal to B bar minus twice A bar. And hence, by the way, we calculate the all the required vectors, that is the OC bar, OE bar and OD bar. Okay, thank you. Next, again regular, now next continue question, that is the question number 4. This question number 4 is given in A, B, C, D, E, F is a regular hexagon. Then show that AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE bar plus AF bar is equal to 6 multiplied by AO bar, where O is the center of the hexagon. So suppose I will try to draw the figure here. This I will consider here O point in middle. Consider this is A point, and from that A point I will take this, all this, that is the segment, that is the AB bar, AC bar, okay, like this, AD and AE, AF, and by joining all these points, so we'll get the hexagon. Okay, so now for the proof, I will consider in this regular hexagon, these sides are equal, that is the AB bar is equivalent to ED bar. Similarly, that AF bar is equivalent to, that is the CD bar. Okay, and same way that EF bar, FE is equivalent to BC also. Okay, so now I will consider here LHS. We have to show that this here, this sum is equal to 6 into AO bar. Okay, AO bar. And so that's why I will consider the left hand side of this part. Okay, the left hand side is that let AB bar plus AC bar plus AD bar plus AE bar plus AF bar. So is equal to, I will rearrange this. I will take first AD bar, then AB bar plus AE bar I will take in one bracket, plus AF bar plus AC bar I will take in another bracket. And now from the figure we write there AD bar, it is as plus. Now here this is AE bar, but AB bar and ED bar both are the equal. So that's why instead of AB bar I will take that here ED bar, because this here in the figure. Plus here also that AC bar, plus these both segments are equal, that is AF is equal to CD. So that's why they both vectors are also equal, and so instead of AF bar I will take the CD bar. Okay, so is equal to, now this is the AD bar, and now by using the triangular law of addition of vector, so we get that AE bar, see that in figure, AE bar plus ED bar is equal to AD bar. So that's why I will write the value of this bracket is the AD bar. Similarly, in this triangle AC bar plus CD bar, AC bar plus CD bar is equal to again AD bar. So I will write the value of this bracket also AD bar, and therefore AD bar plus AD bar plus AD bar is equal to 3 times of AD bar. Okay, and therefore LHS is equal to, now 3 it is as, but AD bar is a double of AO bar, because O is the midpoint, and that's why instead of AD bar I will write the twice of AO bar, and by simplifying is equal to 6 into AO bar, and this is our RHS, hence LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, thank you.